Good morning, you guys. Welcome to the last day of this vlog series. It's the last day in Montana for us. Today is Sunday, December 23rd. It's 8:35 a.m. We have to be out of here by noon, so we're just packing everything up, getting everything ready. I'm really sad that we are leaving. It was really fun while it lasted. Would highly recommend coming to Montana. Montana is one of my favorite states. Just the Montana, Wyoming, Idaho area, Yellowstone National Park, Grand Tetons. It's just one of my favorite areas to be, and seeing it in the winter made me even love it more. So I would highly recommend you guys coming out here if you get the chance. It's Big Sky Ski Resort is an amazing ski resort, especially for beginners like me, because that's a more advanced ski resort. I'm just packing up right now, getting everything ready, so probably won't have many clips from today, but I'm kind of boring, so you probably don't want to see that anyway. We are taking the red eye tonight, which sucks, but it gives us a little bit more time in Montana, which is nice. Look, it's snowing outside. The last day we are here and it is snowing outside. I am so upset. I am wearing one of my favorite pink shirts right now. Well, one of my favorite cold shirts in general. It is so fluffy, as you can see. You can see the little fluff right there. But it is just a big, huge fluff ball. It's from Pink. Very cute. And I'm also not huge on logos, so it just has a little pink sign right here on the zipper, which I really enjoy that as well. So yeah, just wanted to show you what I'm wearing.
I forgot we had the other bow down. Lucas didn't remind me, babe. It's not my fault. Yeah, he's taking one for the team on this.
Nice.
Yeah.
With everyone watching you, what are you gonna play?
This is for Dad.
Drive?
Drive.
I don't think I know that song. Oh, this is such a good song. I remember this song.
Stern light.
When Daddy let me drive.
Vacancy.
Hey.
Hi.
So right now we are about to go into North Yellowstone. Well, Yellowstone on the north side. But this is the only road, right guys? That's open?
Yeah, that's open.
This is the only road that's open in the winter due to snow. So that's interesting. Keep that in mind if you ever go there during the winter. But yeah, we're just gonna stop by Subway, Dad's favorite restaurant, of course. Woo! But yeah, and then we're gonna go into North Yellowstone, so I'll talk to y'all later.
Say that again.
Beautiful. I was gonna open the door for you.
Thank you, Doodle. You're soft. Really, I'm soft.
Some of these aren't very good for this.
Mom, look at me. What did we just see?
Wolves, baby.
Nice. Lucas, what did we just see?
We saw wolves.
Woo, baby. That's right, you guys. We just saw a wolf pack. Pretty darn amazing. There was elk to the left of us, wolves to the middle, and then bison to the very right of us, which was amazing. But we saw that. Wolf pack was pretty amazing. We've been waiting to see that for a very long time, especially my mom. She's been waiting forever to see that. She got some pretty cool pics. I'll insert them right here. But yeah, I just want to, we got really lucky with the animals today. Really great animal sightings. Lucas is really lucky to come with us this vacation.
Yeah, so's Alex.
You always come. It's been an absolutely amazing vacation, and I will keep you guys updated, and next time I'll probably talk to you guys at the airport. So we are at the airport now. We still have 3 hours until our flight.
More like 4 hours.
3. Our flight board's at 10:20. It's 7:20.
Okay, it leaves at 11:30 though. So
anyway, we have a long time. I'm pretty sure we have this whole airport to ourselves.
We're the only people flying out today.
There's literally no one here.
our airports are like government subsidies. So I don't know.
Okay, hi. Want to say anything?
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
Alright, we're gonna race along this. I'm gonna win, obviously. We're having way too much fun in this airport. Alex won.
Let's go.
He's much taller than me though. He's like a foot taller than me.
It was you challenged me. So no excuses.
While I have you here, Lucas, we're walking the airport.
We're walking.
What was your favorite memory this vacation?
Favorite memory?
Yes, favorite memory
Well,
this
the
vacation.
first one that comes to mind is the wolves. Seeing the wolves. Wolves? Wolves.
Wolves
And
with a V.
wolves with a V. And yeah, I mean I love snowmobiling and learning how to ski. I
What was your
pick
favorite?
I can't
though?
pick. There's
Pick
no
a
picking a favorite
Pick
when you
one.
can't.
Pick one.
I'm not going to.
Pick one.
You don't do that. That's something that you just don't do. That's overrated.
All right. What was your favorite memory?
Oh, okay. Well, the wolves, obviously. Well, my desk got
Alex.
stolen.
What was your favorite memory this vacation?
I was just beating you in a race like 5 minutes ago.
Dad, what was your favorite memory this vacation?
I believe my favorite memory was 2 days of skiing and 1 day of snowmobiling. I love those activities outside.
I know you sound like a news reporter.
And
Mom, how about you?
Wow. Probably the Yellowstone tour and getting to see wolves today. That was very awesome.
Yeah, mine was probably going to see the wolves because that made me really excited.
Nice.
And yeah.
Bye.
Hey guys, so I'm a little tired. If you can't tell, I'm laying in bed. I'm a little tired. Let's see, where's my phone? It dropped. The time right now. Oh, stop it. The time is 10:52 a.m. We got on our flight at 11:30 p.m. I've been up since 8 a.m. yesterday. I'm so tired, I can't even think. I'm so sorry. But I've been up for over 24 hours now. It's really hard to sleep on a plane. I got a little bit, like 30 minutes of sleep in the airport, so I guess you could say I got a little bit of sleep. But still, I've been up for a while. And red-eye plane trips are not my favorite. I'm home for Christmas Eve, can celebrate with my family, but right now I am going to go to bed because I am tired. But I just wanted to say thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching this video. This video really means a lot to me. I mean, all these past videos mean a lot to me because they're just more really for my memories and my personal experience. I want to be able to remember this trip. So yeah, but anyway, if you're still watching, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe down below. And yeah, without further ado, I'm going to bed now. So good night, people.